Okay, kiddos, on this page you're going to be using a protractor to make some angles. Okay, so this tool right here is a protractor. You can move it around. What you're going to do is put it in one place so you can see all of it. None of it's hanging off the edge of the page. You're going to pick a pen or a pencil and you're going to draw a straight line from the middle out as best you can. Straight line. Then you have to look at the problem, and whatever degree it tells you you need to make, you're going to look for the number. So they go up by increments of 10. Let's say I'm going to make an angle that is 60 degrees. So I have my protractor on the line and I see where it says 60. I'm going to put a mark there. Okay. Then I'm going to move my protractor. And then I'm going to connect the dot, looks like I made two, to the end of my line. Oops, again, as best you can. And this right here then is your 50 degrees.